I consider teaching to be that process of sharing and collaborating with another person, whether that's another colleague, whether that's working alongside learners. And more importantly, as my career and my profession has taken me in the direction of facilitating that ability to teach and impart knowledge between our nursing learners, our students. I don't think I can separate teaching from learning, and that goes with that concept of ako that underpins my portfolio. So I came into tertiary education really with a lot of clinical skills and knowledge and practice behind me from my nursing career.
The work that she does is research based. She brings qualitative research material into her classroom that actually talks about the lived experience and the narratives of the people that she is trying to get the information and messages across to students. It makes it really real, and it gives multiple perspectives on the issues that she's trying to illustrate with her students. It also saves having to bring people into the classroom to talk about their individual experiences, which are not always really easy to openly discuss. Being authentic, being real, being genuine, making that person feel like they are important in a class of 120, which is sometimes the large groups that I can work with. Not as much as what we used to, thankfully. It's a lot of flipped classroom, smaller group work. You can still value people individually if you're a skilled facilitator, and you can keep them engaged in that process.
For me, it's really that her listening ability. I come back to that. She listens to the students, their lives, their families, and then she's able to create a timetable of students in such a way that it supports their learning. So for example, a mum with young kids, she might have them do their placement second, so that second in terms of the semester, so they're able to look after their kids and get them settled into school first, and then when it comes to their placement, that'll happen in the second semester. So that's just one example of really understanding her students and ensuring that they can give their best to their life expectations as well as to their study.
I think it's her ability to interact with an audience, but also her understanding. She's someone that's so approachable and so knowledgeable and understanding of issues that go on in everyday lives, especially as nurses. It's our job to look after others and help them through tough points, but she also knows that we go through those as well. So she's exceptionally understanding and really fantastic to talk to about any issue.
The way she interacts with the class, she's always asking questions, pulling out the information, sitting there, and she'll make sure that she gets that from you.
Many learners come to this environment thinking they know nothing about a topic. If you're a good teacher, an excellent teacher, you'll uncover that and make the links for them. Providing them with the opportunity to learn how to teach others, how to share information. So collaboration, working with other people, sharing the fullness of their knowledge, hearing that people and nurses have made a difference out there in practice. That's success to me, yeah.